Did you know that laser hair removal isn't just for women? Men too can benefit from this advanced grooming solution. Research indicates that men are increasingly prioritizing grooming and self-care, with surveys reporting that 1 in 3 men are considering or have already undergone laser hair removal treatments. Experience the confidence of smooth, hair-free skin after just a few sessions. Say goodbye to the daily hassle of shaving and razor burn with our comfortable and efficient sessions. Engineered to suit all genders' needs, our precise laser technology targets even the most stubborn hair while being gentle on all skin types. Each treatment plan is personalized to suit your unique needs, ensuring you can reclaim your smoothness and unlock your best self. Ready to embrace the freedom of smooth skin? Book your free consultation today.